how do we approach junctions safely? So we use MSPSL routine, which is mirror, signal, position, speed and look. Now I am approaching a roundabout. So first thing, mirror signal just before slowing down. Then think about your approach speed and position. There is a single lane, so I can stay in middle. My position is good, my speed is good. Be ready to stop and look to go. Car is entering. Silver car is waiting. Yes, he is waiting. Other car is not using signal, which means he is going straight. So I make decision. Now 1, 2. Now plan. Mirror signal. And take exit, nice and easy. If you're not sure when to signal, I can give you a quick tip just before start slowing down. Like now, I need to start slowing down, so I will signal, then I will start slowing down, and then I can approach junction safely. Let me know in the comments if you like the video and subscribe for more tips, and I will see you in the next one.